Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how I like to do candy bags. So my daughter's birthday is coming up and I have to do these candy bags, so I wanted to show you guys what I like to put in my kids' candy bags. So I got the chips, the juices, the candy, some toys for the bags, and the actual candy bag. So it is going to be mini theme. So I got these bags. I love to get these bags for all my kids' candy bags for their parties. They're very, very durable and strong. You can reuse them. You can use them to put the candy from the piñata too, These are perfect. So this is how it looks. It's actually pretty big, which I love. It can fit a lot in there. So this is how it looks. And then I got all this candy right here. So like I said, the juice, the chips, the toys, and the candy. And that's it. So I went on ahead and set up everything. I opened up everything and I have it ready to just grab and put into the actual candy bag. So I got the toys. I took them all out of the package. I put them in there. So let's begin. So if you know about these dubalins, it is a Mexican candy. It's a chocolate that comes in these little containers. And they also come with little spoons. These little spoons right here, look. So what you have to do is individually take them off that little handle where they're connected to. And you use them to scoop up the chocolate inside. But I don't know if it happens to you guys. Every time I go to a party, either the dubalins don't have a spoon. I can't find it anywhere. They don't even bother putting it in the candy bag. Or it's just thrown in the candy bag, and that is so annoying to me. So this is what I do. I go on ahead and tape them to the candy to make life much easier for the kids and for everybody else. That's just something I do, and I suggest you guys do it too, because people will appreciate it, trust me. So that's just something I like to do before I even begin making the candy bags. So I have it ready just to throw in the bag. So now that I have done that, let's get that out of the way and actually begin doing the candy bags. So I have my candy bag right here, ready to go. Remember guys, so we have a chip, a juice, 2 lollipops, the accessory candies, and then the Lucas candy. There's different kind of Lucas candy. There's even those like squishy ones. I don't remember what they're called. But like it has like some tamarindo liquid coming out of them. I don't know, just any type of Lucas, some 2 chocolates, and then your pelones are a must. So I got my bag. I'm gonna open it up. Like I said, I love using these candy bags because they're so durable. So I'm gonna start off with the juice, which is the heaviest, so it can hold down the the candy bag and it's out of the way. I got the chips. I know kids get so picky about the chips and they're like, oh, I don't want that one. Can I switch? No. You guys switch on your own time. Go switch over there. I'm not dealing with that, You get what you get and you don't throw a fit. So, I'm going to throw chocolate. I'm going to work my way to the lollipops. 2 types of chocolate. Remember, guys, 2 types. Some type of Lucas candy is a must. I'm only putting 1 because the other ones are for the other candy bag. Then, a pelon. You have to have a pelon in a candy bag. It's just traditional, It's a must. And then I'm going on to the paletas. I got the cucharitas. And I got a big bag. So I'm going to put a few, about 3, in each candy bag. They're mini little cucharitas. The accessory candy is what I call, the small candies. You need at least 2 little candies. And the other lollipop, which is the manita. So I got that in there. I'm going to throw the other little accessory candy. I love those. They're so good. And then the toy. So that is it, guys. That is all I put in my candy bags. Look how it looks. You got the juice in there, the chips, and some candy, and a toy. And remember, it might not seem like a lot to a lot of people, but it actually is. And remember, like I said, there's going to be a piñata, and it's going to fill up. Watch. And it's going to fill up. Trust me. So, and it's actually already heavy. So, remember, chips, a juice, some type of Lucas candy, a pelon, your accessory candy, some type of chocolates, at least 2, your 2 lollipops, and then the accessory candy, and the toy. Remember. So that is it. Remember to always put the same amount in each bag to make sure everything is fair. And that is it, guys. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.